welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to simply sync your Apple Health data to Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So you can simply sync your Apple Health data to Notion by simply using a third-party automation service like make.com or automate.io. Once you have chosen any of the third-party application to automate your service, you need to simply connect the third-party application to the Health Auto Export app on your iPhone with your Notion account via your webhook. The general process involves configuring the Health Auto Export app to send your health data formatted as JSON to a unique webhook URL provided by the automation service. Then you can set up an automation in the service to receive the data. After you have done this, you need to find the correct Notion record, usually by date, and update it with the new health metric. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.